Hello students, so let us solve this question from complex analysis and it is from JAM 2026 and you have been given a complex number that is, let's say z is equal to 1 minus iota root 3 cube, okay? And this we have to solve and write the value as an integer. That is what we have to do. Now see this number that is inside 1 minus iota root 3. This can be written in the polar form, and what will be the modulus under root 1 square plus minus root 3 square, so that will become under root 4 and that is 2. So 2 and e to the power I theta, something like this. Now let us calculate this theta as a principal argument. So your number is like 1 here and minus root 3 here. So your point is here. So if I go anti-clockwise, it will be greater than pi, and you know that I have to write the principal argument between minus pi to pi. So I will take this angle, and this angle will become tan theta. Let's say this is theta. Tan theta will be equal to perpendicular by base, that is minus root 3. So theta is minus pi by 3. That is what I got. And that I will put here. So 1 minus iota root 3 is equal to 2 to the power e minus iota pi by 3, and now put cube on both sides, and this is cube, so it will become 8 e to the power minus iota pi. So this will become minus 8 because e to the power minus I pi is minus 1. Cos minus pi plus I sin minus pi is minus 1. So fill in the blank, answer is minus 8. So very basic question on complex number. So you see, just you have to know the Euler's equation, and one thing you have to pay attention, that the argument should be written correctly. Thank you so much.